Albuminous seeds. Can you give me some examples of albuminous seeds?
Right.
Okay, wheat. We can put maize here. Wheat, maize, castor. They are all albuminous seeds. But what is albuminous? What is the meaning of this albuminous seeds?
Seeds which have residual endosperm.
Yes, if the seeds are having endosperm, even in the mature seeds, then they are called albuminous. Opposite of that is non-albuminous. Non-albuminous means no endosperm. In the mature seeds, no endosperm, it got used up, that's why. Give examples of non-albuminous seeds then.
Groundnut.
Yes.
Ground.
Mm. Groundnut, pea, and all from the beans family. They will come under non-albuminous seeds. More seeds are there. One is called apomictic seeds. This was the last portion of the lesson. Apomictic seeds. What do you mean by apomictic seeds?
Seeds are produced without
Yes, seeds without fertilization, it's called as apomictic seeds. And there is a question here, how are these seeds produced? How is this type of seed produced? That seeds are produced without fertilization. One way is, now this is an embryo sac. You have learned the structure of embryo sac. Okay. One way is like this. One way how the seeds is produced like this. This embryo sac, and you know that there is an egg here. Egg is actually what? Haploid or diploid? Egg is a gamete, no?
diploid.
No. Usually eggs are haploid because all gametes are haploid. Usually egg is haploid. That's why embryo sac is called as, what is the other name for embryo sac? Since it is carrying the egg, embryo sac is also called as,
Female gametophyte.
very good. It's also called as female gametophyte. Now coming to this egg. Usually eggs are haploid, and when the male gamete comes and fuses with it, it will result in diploid zygote, which is called as syngamy. That you know that. After that only seed is formed. So whatever ovule is there surrounding here, the ovule part is there, totally they will become a seed. This is what happens usually. But apomictic seeds, what happens is egg becomes diploid on its own. It is because of a genetic character. Nobody is making it diploid. But in such kinds of plants, egg will be already diploid. This takes place in some plants belonging to sunflower family, that is Asteraceae, and some grasses. Asteraceae and grasses, what happens is that egg will be already diploid. So egg will look like a zygote itself. If egg is looking like a zygote, that is zygotes are diploid, no? That means the seed will be fertilized, like it will be like fertilization. Without the presence of male gamete itself, it became a seed. This kind of seed is called apomictic seeds. But this is not the only method. Second method is, there is tissue surrounding the embryo sac, no? Surrounding the embryo sac there is tissue.
Nucleus.
Nucellus. It is one of the tissue from the nucellus that is becoming megaspore mother cell and later becomes embryo sac and all. So some of the nucellus cells will start entering into embryo sac. They will start entering into embryo sac. And nucellus is already diploid. If it start entering into embryo sac, then each one will become embryo. Each one will become embryo. So this is another way how apomictic seeds are produced. This happens in citrus. Citrus means orange, lemon. In plants like citrus, then mango. What happens is nucellus which is surrounding the embryo sac will start entering into the embryo sac. Each one will become embryo. That is also becoming apomictic seed. Now when you see nucellus, each cell is getting inside embryo sac, so many embryos will be there. See, so many embryos are there. That's why during this method, polyembryony can be created. Polyembryony. There's one word there, textbook, no, last paragraph, polyembryony. Now, this is how it happens in nature. So, two methods are there. One method is the egg will be diploid. Egg will be diploid. That is first method. It happens in Asteraceae and grasses. Second method, which happens in lemon and mango, surrounding nucellar cells will enter into embryo sac. Thus, many embryo will be created, which is called polyembryony, and then the seed will be called as apomictic seeds.